Running could put a lot of pressure and weight on your ankles, which could lead to a lot of pain or injury. Ankle pain could either slow you down or stop your run. So we need to stay ahead of pain as a runner. Ankle joints move your body in two directions. It does the plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, which plantar flexion moves your ankles or your feet away from the body, and dorsiflexion moves your feet towards the body. It also does side-to-side movement like inversion and eversion, plus it supports the weight of your body while you're running. Be careful with bad running form like heel striking. Instead, try to focus on mid-sole running because this could overstretch your Achilles tendon, leading to a muscle strain. And try to replace your running shoes every 400 to 600 miles to avoid that actual strain on your ankles or your foot. Having weak muscles around your ankle joint can cause your muscles to feel unsteady. Try to avoid this by taking short strides. And make sure that you are checking to make sure that you are running with the correct shoes for your gait, because there are different shoes like minimalist, there are shoes with foams, so there are different shoes that goes with your gait so therefore you could be able to run properly. Ankle sprain is a stretched or torn ligament caused by pain, swelling, or bruising, while ankle strain is a stretched or torn tendon, which you could feel pain, swelling, or muscle spasm. Tendonitis is the irritation or inflammation of the tendon and is caused by overuse of the muscles or running too far or too hard. With tendonitis, you may feel pain, swelling, or tenderness. An ankle sprain could take 6 months to heal, and you may need to go to rehab or even have surgery, while ankle strain could take 2 to 4 weeks to heal. And this is where you do that rest, ice, compression, and elevation. The most common cause of ankle pain is overuse. And it could come from inflammation, bruising, swelling, redness. It could cause reduced mobility as well as tenderness. So when you don't take time between workouts or you increasing that pace or that mileage too soon, you are setting yourself up for vulnerability to overuse injury. Now, to help prevent ankle pain or injury from ankle pain, you definitely want to take rest days in between sections. So if your body feels worn out or tired after a run, it might be your body telling yourself that you need some rest. So for shorter runs, your body could keep going out there frequently and might not need as much rest in between. But if you are doing long runs, you definitely want to take some day off to rest. So consider doing the RICE method that you could do after every long run to facilitate recovery and prevent ankle pain. You can consider wearing an ankle compression sleeve, so therefore you can help with blood flow to that area. Another thing you could do is elevate the ankle by allowing that movement of fluids in your ankles. Flat-footedness can also lead to ankle pain, and having a flat feet causes the arch of the feet to collapse and the ankle to roll inward. This could be known as overpronation. And flat-footedness can be genetic. It could lead to post-tibia tendon dysfunction that could be adult acquired, leading or caused by PTTD. And if you don't address that overpronation over time, it can lead to a chronic ankle instability. Now, to fix overpronation, you can run with shoes that's specially designed for runners with overpronation. Now, these shoes will contain extra cushioning support that can help prevent your ankles from rolling inward,
It will help your feet to better absorb and dissipate the impact of hitting the ground. Now for severe conditions, you can wear ankle orthotic. Now some people are instructed to wear ankle orthotic that's going to help support them. And it's going to help you with that ankle instability by keeping those joints in proper alignment. So people is going to wear these orthotics in their shoes when they are running or walking. Another thing to consider is bad running shoes. So if you are running in that wrong type of shoes, you can be setting yourself up for ankle pain or injury. So you definitely want to consider buying shoes that is right for your type of runner that you are, and that's going to give you the support that you need. In addition to that, consider replacing your running shoes every 300 to 500 miles as well. And if you're curious about when to replace your running shoes, definitely check out this video for that. Be careful with too much running, because running too much can lead to ankle pain, especially for long distance runners. So definitely consider taking some break or decrease those mileage that you are running. Allow your body time to rest and recover. Be careful with lack of mobility. So you definitely want to make sure that you are stretching and warming up before that run, because lack of mobility can possibly cause ankle pain. Now, tips to avoid ankle pain: you definitely want to be warming up and cooling down right before and after a run. So that means that you either could jog in place or walk before and after that run. Warming up allows you to get your body ready for that workout. And after the workout, consider doing some stretches. And work on strengthening the muscles and tendons of the feet to prevent injury. And you need some workouts to do, definitely check out our playlist on our channel.
You can strengthen your ankles by walking on your heels and your toes to stretch out your ankles. You could also try to flex your ankles back and forth. Now you know what causes ankle pain and how to prevent it. Just be good to your body and it will be good to you. And we cannot wait to see you on our next video. Until next time, bye-bye.